Today we're going to be unboxing my new camera that we're going to use at Collecticon. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Got the trusty knife. I'm gonna open this up. Doing this, I'm gonna tell you, has really opened up my eyes to a lot of video equipment, all types of stuff, and I'm excited to start using this stuff. Here it is right here. Look at that. Bam. DJI Pocket 2 Creator Combo. Now I know the DJI Pocket 3 has came out, the most recent one. I really didn't feel like spending that much more money on something that's only going to be used when I feel like using it. So I hopped out, because for cheaper than the DJI Pocket 3 by itself, we got the Creator Combo, which literally has everything that we're going to need for what we're going to use it for. I mean, it comes with obviously the camera, then we got a little tripod, comes with a microphone, and then it's the they call it the dual handle. I think that's what it's called. So let's get into it. So first off the bat, it kind of reminds me of an iPhone box opening. It really does. We got this. I don't think there's nothing in there. Here's the camera. And I like how it's got like a little case. I just gotta figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. All right, not too bad, not too bad. Okay. Guess we need to get something in it first. Camera, battery, something. Then we got what is this? Don't know what this is. Do it up some. Oh, it's the windshield for the microphone. Then we got the little connector for the the transmitter, what it's called. Then I guess that's like a little lens, maybe? Moisture connector, I guess for your phone or something like that. Another connector for your phone. Yeah, okay. So we got a USB-C connector. Then the lightning cable connector. Little lanyard. Charging cable. All right. Then books, manuals, stuff like that. Really not going to get into that right now. Then we got camera, microphone. I guess this is the dual handle. Microphone, little bitty tripod, and then he has like a little cap. All right, that's everything. So from what I understand, you charge this up, right? Dual handle. I wonder if it's got any. How do I do this? Don't know how. connect the wheel handle. I just pull this off. Just stick this in there. Oh. Alright, so there's got to be a way this either slides off, pulls off. I guess we do need to go into the manual. Let's see. Stickers. Disclaimer. Alright, startup guide. Return. Alright, so if we can actually connect our phone to the side of this, which I think is slightly crazy. I feel like that kind of defeats the purpose of. Okay, wants me to download the app first. App Store. DJI Memo. DJI Memo. Got a 2.3 star rating, so let's hope that everything's all good. They're gonna power it on. I want to see. Okay, so yeah, it says you just slide it in, slide it down. While that downloads, bro, it's saying to slide this damn thing. There we go. Okay. Then it's right there. How do we turn it on? One second. They didn't do nothing. Is everything dead? Oh, 1 second. What we're doing. Oh, power button is right here on the side. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Alright. English, yes. Matter of fact, let me get a memory card real quick. Oh, that's so much. Oh, shit.
There's something in the moments that
Alright, give me 1 second, because we actually have one in our GoPro.
I'm holding on to something real, and I'll never let go.
Got 256.
We are breaking all the rules. Love is uncontrollable, and I hope that it will never end. Colors of the world dripping off this body.
Let's just put it open.
We are a masterpiece in the making.
We'll leave the rear in there so I don't lose that. And then we'll do this way. There we go. Right, it goes in that way. But it don't want to go in. Oh, look. Force it. Yeah, it's supposed to go in that way. But it's not locking in. So I got the wrong number. There we go. Locked in. And I think it died. Or Okay. Get this off real quick. Okay. English, yeah. Why it's not activated? Connect to DJI remote. Okay, let me open up the app. 3. Wow. Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Right, here we go. Next. Why are you not connected? Oh. No. Cancel connection. Connect. Set. Okay. Join. Connecting. 3. Keep the USB connected during this process. Wait, so do I gotta activate your device when you connect it for the first time to receive points? Okay, so I guess I have to connect it to my phone. Okay. Got it there. Bro, don't tell me I gotta take off my case. Alright, hold on. Wait, do I have to do it? Agree. Wow, access next. Yeah, so I gotta do it. Okay. Bad thing about it is taking off GoPros can kind of be a pain. Not GoPros, OtterBoxes. Because the one small piece is so thin. Okay. We got this. Open up the app again. And I guess we slide it in there. Right. Okay. Now what? Connected. Agree. Next. Log in. Hold on, I gotta log into my stuff real quick. Change that account. You know what? Screw it. Okay. Now it's registering. Then an activation. Let's do 2-year plan. Don't care about the beginner guide right now. Okay. Oh, $80? Wait. Are we good now? Yep. Notice for beginners. Insert micro SD, power, press once on the switch between video and photo mode. Press twice to recenter. Press 3 times to switch the camera between facing forward and backward, and press and hold the power on the two. Oh, press and hold to power on. Pocket 2 is powered off. The camera will face forward on powering on. Press once to take a photo and stop recording. Yada yada yada. Adjust the gimbal tilt manually or use virtual joystick touchscreen. Yada 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 yada. I will come back and do that later. Wait, do I have to have my phone on this? Okay. Take this off. This. So let's take this off. Tie that off. Then let's do this back in. All right, now how do I connect the microphone to? Oh, okay. So apparently we just power it on. All right, it's on. Like, I'm guessing it's working. Let's see, 1, 2, 3. Bam. Okay, I think it's working. I'm not exactly too sure. All right, so yeah, so far it looks pretty sweet. Yeah, thing moves quick. Like, watch this. All right. Is there another lens? Hold on. Let me put this on real quick. We can keep it up. Take this off. What are they, spread? That open? Okay. There we go. I'm just gonna set it there for right now. So I think this is another lens. It is. Now, do I just put this on here? How do I do the lens? Oh, it's a magnet. So then it should. Let me turn this off real quick. Can't. Okay. Turn it back on. There we go. It's supposed to be a magnet. Well, what does that do? So that is a wide angle lens. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And it flips. I wonder if that looks different. So that's wide angle, but then if I take it off, it looks like that. I gotta see which one looks better on editing. Let me put that back on. We gotta just see. We gotta see which one works the best. I don't know, I kind of feel like without it looks so much better. All right, let me know what you guys think. Okay, here we go. Now, this is what the audio looks like. It is moving extremely slow. I guess I just gotta move kind of slow with it. Maybe. Hopefully it's picking up audio. But so far it looks pretty sweet. I like it. Alright. I will see you guys back at the desktop. Alright. So that was the DJI Pocket 2 unboxing. Can't wait to actually learn how to use it like better. Learn all the little secrets to it and put out the good stuff for you guys. So until then, appreciate you watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Look out for the next pack opening video, which will be after this video. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Hey, stand up guy, boom, 10 toes. Big body pull up in a Range Rover. I can change the whole game when I say so. I pull up, shut it down, yeah, they know. Running this game ain't a thing for me. I never switched up, no change in me. The only thing changing this season, you go against me, then you know that you tweet.